students. Welcome to lab number 24 for BCA third semester as per the syllabus of Python. The program is perform sequential search on a list of given numbers. First of all, let's design one function so that we can do our program. Inside the function, one list is required, and second is the key value. List comprises of some elements and key. Whatever the element, you have to search inside the list. For I in range, length of the list, then if list I is equal to key value, whatever the value we have to search, then return that value. Then break. If the element is not there, return -1. Suppose the list is 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, and 7. Suppose these are the elements. Now print the list is, first of all, printing of list, then the key value, int, input, the number you want to search, then passing this content inside the function. First one is the list and second one is the key. Now apply the condition. If n is not equal to -1, print key is found at position. Here you have to write n+1 because the position is 1 plus than that of index. Else print data is not present in the list. Let's execute the program. This one is the list. You can enter and display the list also from user side. As per in this program, you can enter and data from the user side. Element you want to search, suppose 1 is there, you can display the content. 1 is found at position 3. This one is position 3. Suppose I have to search the element which is not present. Suppose I am entering 11. Data is not present in the list. Hope you understand the content of sequential search in the list of the given number. I repeat again. First of all, designing of one function, and function comprised of two parameters or arguments. One is list and second is key. List is required to display the content, whatever the contents from which we have to search. and second one is the key, what you have to search. For I in range, then length of the list, according to length of the list, we have to search inside the elements. If list I is equal to key, it means if the particular element is found inside the list, then return I and break. Otherwise, return -1 after the complete for loop. Now, what about this return -1? If n is equal to -1, if the value is like this, then data is not present in the list. Otherwise, data is found at position n plus 1. Why n plus 1? Because n stands for index and we have to print the position. Index value plus 1 is the position of the particular element. Thanks for watching my video. In the next video, I will discuss about perform sequential search on ordered list of given number, that is program number 25.